Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to contact Newcastle Building Society customer service. Firstly, you need to open any of the web browser and in the top there is address bar. You need to type down Newcastle Building Society and enter it. And from the search result you need to select this top icon here. And once inside this homepage of Newcastle, in the top there's this contact us icon, select that. So from the contact us, you need to scroll a bit down here. And if you have any issue with your savings, mortgages, Newcastle financial advisors, or reporting a scam or fraud, what you can do is you can simply select there. And from here, you can find this number here for the saving accounts or for the business saving here, and which is available from Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. And for the business saving, available from Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. And before contacting the support, make sure you have your account and mortgage information ready for verification. And never share your password, PIN, or security code. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.